exciting news, people, for the custom build news for you. This is going to be another progress update. And let's begin after the intro, people. Shall we? Alrighty there. So, this video is going to be another progress update. Now, I'm not going to go too deeply. There's another video that I previously released that going well. So, we're talking about the last video, to refresh your mind, was getting a permission to build a computer because, like I said, I have no, and my light is falling down. What? I'm gonna be right. Okay, so I had to fix the light. That's the reason why I had to pause for a moment to fix, because it was drooping down. So anyway, back to the subject when I was talking about how I have to get approval on this and that. So, like I said, like previous video, we're talking about how I need approval, or I need to talk to my mom and dad about the build to get a okay sign. So, the exciting news is this. I finally got okay sign, but the main thing is holding me back is I need to put a little more money into the bank account to buy cable adapters. So like cable adapters. So I'm gonna tell you what type of cable adapters. So I need a 3-pin power to 4-pin Molex adapters, because I don't want to connect the fan to the power supply directly. I want to connect that Molex fan to the motherboard, because this motherboard is new enough to have the built-in fan controller or fan cord, whatever you want to call it. So I need that, or I need that for the build, for the back exhaust, because that case does come with a Molex fan connector. So the next one on the list I need is SATA to Molex, because I got a I'm gonna be getting a USB 3.0 card reader, and that card reader does need a Molex power connector. Then another thing I need is Y splitter for the 2.0 header, the USB header. Then I need another splitter for the USB 3.0 header. Now I'm not gonna tell you the price. I will tell you the price when I place my order for these items. When I place the order for the item, then I will make another video for you people. But those are, like, see here, 5 things on the list. So now, okay, now I'm thinking about, I might put the total cost below the video, so it's gonna be in the description below the video. So do make sure to check the description below, and if it doesn't show a lot more, just click on show me more, and it will expand for more so you can see more detail. So don't forget that one. So yes, I got a-okay, but I need cash. I need deposit and more. Once I deposit more, then I can find a week to sit down with my mom and special order the part online. So yeah. So other than that, everything been moving in a slow now. Now it could be a little more. I could do it a little more quicker if I had my driver license and if everything was in a quick way. I could take the money to my bank and that. But I have to wait for like a week or a best timing when my mom go to the bank or what. So it's going to be a little bit of a slow progress. It's not going to be the quickest, but it's going to be a very slow progress, I should say. Other than that, we are moving along pretty good. We are moving very closely. I need add a couple more. I just took the pop cans to a recycle place, and got the like $16. So I did need partial like $16 in the bank account, and bada bing bada boom, and what's that? And I'm pretty sure I'm gonna find a time to special order the parts. So yes. So some point I have to wait, I should say. I know my mom is still visiting the bank every once in a while, so yes. So this one is going to be a small update, and I decided to make a very quick little vlog just dedicated to the PC build. So that's what I'm gonna do. And yes, feel free to subscribe to the channel, and feel free to, well, let me tell you this way. Don't forget to subscribe or Google Plus me, whatever it can work, whatever you're not going to lose me, whatever the way. You are definitely welcome to leave comment, and you definitely are welcome to give me a thumbs up if you like this style of video, or if you like this update. So do those. Don't forget visit the link below the video. Don't forget, if there's not many things, if there's a small block, just make sure you did click show me more, and when you click show me more, you should see more link in the video, or not in the video but below the video, so you should able expand that and should able see that, and yeah, don't forget you can support the project with Amazon, or if you want to donate a special part, you're welcome. Don't forget there's a email below the video. There's a link, or there's a email address to this YouTube channel, so there's a dedicated email for the YouTube channel, so you can use this email to contact me if you want to do business, or well, I should say business, but if you want to donate or if you want to buy something like my Flickr page, so you're welcome to buy my Flickr page if you like to, which you can contact me with my email address. And this should be it. And I will see you next time, people. And catch you next time.